Okay, and we are setting. Here, setting the temperature. The green one is the temperature you are setting. Okay, and then setting the time. This is the second, and then you can set here. The second is the minute. The minute 7 minutes, and you setting the second. No, the minute. We need to, yes, this is the minute. 7 minutes holding time now.
这个好像只能设到关。
Yeah. It can only set in minutes. Yes, and we test for holding 3 minutes 1,500 degrees centigrade. And then here to point the crucibles. Here is the 2 kilogram capacity crucible. Okay, and this is the point, the laser point here, laser point. Setting. Okay, you're setting here. Now start heating. Okay, it start heating. 哎，那个温度没有升上去吗？
温度要它这个定的机器是到700度之后它才会显示的。
Okay, and the display will only up to over 700 degrees centigrade, and now it's 800. Yes, and you can see here the temp. Wow, it's quick. Now some foil and. 因为测不到底，上面温度会低一点，下面肯定超过。Yes, our engineer said the temperature and on the upper place will be lower, or well, it will be lower than the button. The button of the temperature on the upper is lower than the bottom place. And then you can see here. 100 this, and now yes, 1,500 degrees centigrade holding time 3 minutes. Okay, it's holding.